Hello and welcome back. First of all, another great day in the market. Bitcoin is currently holding levels above former key resistance at $66,500. That looks like it has flipped into support now. We just came back to test it within the last 15 minutes at the time of recording. Right on cue with the full moon. Time and again, it proves to be a bullish signal for reasons that I cannot explain. But right now we are sitting at $66,981, having just bounced off that key $66,500 level. Markets are feeling pretty excited right now. On average, we're currently sitting at a fear and greed index of 71 out of 100. There seems to remain a hefty spot bid in the market. As we can see, there have been some absolutely stunning inflows into the spot Bitcoin ETFs over the last couple of days. The 14th was the largest at $551 million net inflow. The 16th was massive as well, $458 million net inflow into the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Cointelegraph, 94% of Asian private wealth is investing in or considering investing in crypto. As we know, there's potential for a lot of stimulus out of China within the coming months so that they can reach their 5% economic growth targets. That would also bring more liquidity into the market. And we can see, of course, from reports like this, there's appetite there amongst institutional investors, amongst whale investors to accumulate Bitcoin still at these prices. We can see metrics of whales buying on chain as well. New Bitcoin whales hold 1.97 million coins. New investors with fresh BTC holdings are emerging, possibly indicating institutional entry. This accumulation phase coincides with a bullish buying trend and increased demand for BTC. And most importantly, this trend of buying is not just limited to the older whale wallets. And we know that because new wallets, that is fresh wallets, have been actively accumulating BTC in recent weeks. Bitcoin whales hold over 3.9 million BTC. Recently, wallets with huge amounts of Bitcoin have amassed more tokens from smaller holders. This is data from CryptoQuant showing that institutional wallets accumulated 67,000 BTC over the last 30 days in a 30-day window, bringing their total holdings to 3.9 million BTC. And this goes back to something that I keep saying time and again on the channel, and that is the pattern that we seem to see again and again and again. As prices come up, the market gets excited, the market goes into greed, people pile in on high leverage, and then they get liquidated, and we come down, and then the prices get bought back up again. And that is the shift that the article I just mentioned is talking about, of BTC flowing from small wallets into big wallets as experienced investors buy when the market is in fear, and inexperienced investors jump in with leverage, with money that they don't have, when they're feeling greedy, when they're feeling euphoric. And that leads to moves like this that we saw very recently. This is a 5% candle near enough. As the market pushed up, got absolutely beaten down, we liquidated long positions, further accentuating the move to the downside. And then those lower prices were immediately bought up. This pattern that we keep seeing playing out again and again could be considered an inefficiency in the market. You can see countless examples from my videos, even over the last couple of weeks, where we've seen events like this coming ahead of time, and then they play out, sure enough, almost every single time. Whether or not you want to trade that and try and actually monetize that inefficiency, or whether you want to just take an understanding of this pattern so that you can avoid being the person getting liquidated on those sharp whipsaw moves to the downside. So worth paying attention to, especially when it's that predictable, almost like clockwork. As always, thank you so much for watching. Nothing I say should be considered financial advice. This is purely for entertainment purposes. Plenty more to come. Catch you in the next one. Bye.